are going to love the 2017 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, CD player, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.